Have you ever stopped to think about the money you use every day? The banknotes in your wallet, the cash you withdraw from an ATM, the bills exchanged in markets, shops, and cafes. In Romania, this currency is called the Romanian Leu. It has been part of daily life for generations, used to buy food, pay salaries, and keep the economy moving. But where does this money actually come from? Behind every banknote is a long, highly controlled process, one that combines design, engineering, security, and strict national standards. Unlike many European countries that use the euro, Romania issues and manages its own national currency, produced under its own authority. From the streets of Bucharest to small towns across the country, the leu connects people, businesses, and institutions. Yet the journey of a banknote begins far away from public view, in secure facilities, protected by advanced technology and careful oversight. Today, we'll take a step-by-step look at how Romanian banknotes are made, from the earliest design stages to printing, inspection, and circulation. This is a quiet, precise process. No shortcuts, no mystery. Just the careful creation of money designed to last, to be trusted, and to be used every single day. Before a banknote is ever printed, its journey begins on paper and on screens, in the design stage. Designing a national currency is not about decoration. It is about identity, clarity, and security. Every line, color, and symbol must represent the country while also serving a functional purpose. In Romania, banknote designs are carefully developed by professional designers, engineers, and security specialists working together. Early concepts begin as sketches, exploring layout, proportions, and visual balance. These ideas are then refined digitally, where layers of information are built step by step. Colors are chosen not only for appearance, but for recognition. Each denomination must be easy to distinguish, even at a quick glance. Patterns and textures are tested to ensure durability and resistance to copying. Cultural elements play an important role. Architecture, natural motifs, and national themes are translated into abstract visual forms, subtle enough to be elegant, yet complex enough to protect the note. At the same time, designers plan for security. Invisible layers, precise alignment, and future printing techniques are already considered long before production begins. By the time a final design is approved, every detail has a reason. What looks simple in your hand is in fact the result of months, sometimes years, of careful planning. This is where money begins, not in machines, but in design.
Once a banknote's design is finalized, the process moves from concept to controlled production. Romanian banknotes are not printed like ordinary documents. They are produced in secure facilities using specialized equipment, materials, and strict procedures designed to prevent copying, theft, or misuse. The process begins with the banknote substrate, a durable polymer material engineered to withstand years of handling. This material is delivered in large sheets and inspected before printing begins. Even at this early stage, quality control is constant. Printing takes place in multiple stages. First, base colors and background patterns are applied using precision presses. These machines operate under carefully controlled conditions, ensuring uniform pressure, alignment, and ink distribution across every sheet. Next comes intaglio printing, a high-pressure process that creates raised textures on the banknote surface. These tactile elements are not decorative. They help prevent counterfeiting and allow the note to be verified by touch. Throughout the process, sheets move along enclosed conveyor systems. Automated sensors monitor position, speed, and accuracy. Any deviation beyond strict tolerance limits triggers immediate rejection. Security features are added layer by layer. Transparent windows, optical effects, micro patterns, and machine-readable elements are integrated directly into the polymer. These features are designed to be difficult to replicate, yet easy to verify using simple tools. Serial numbering follows. Each banknote receives a unique identifier applied with specialized numbering presses and logged into secure databases. No two notes are the same. At every stage, inspection is continuous. Cameras scan each sheet for defects, while trained staff perform random manual checks. Notes that fail inspection are destroyed immediately, never entering circulation. Security within the facility is constant but unobtrusive. Access is restricted, movements are logged, and staff operate under clearly defined roles. Guards are present to protect the process, not to intimidate, ensuring that production remains controlled and accountable. By the time printing is complete, what began as a digital design has become a physical object of trust. Every Romanian Leu banknote reflects precision, discipline, and national responsibility. This is not mass printing for speed, it is controlled production for reliability, where every detail matters and nothing is left to chance.
Distribution and life cycle. Once banknotes are printed and approved, their journey is far from over. Finished Romanian Leu banknotes are carefully packed, sealed, and prepared for transport. From the printing facility, they are moved under strict security in armored vehicles. These transports follow controlled routes and schedules, ensuring that currency reaches its destination safely and without interruption. The banknotes are delivered to secure vaults operated by the national banking system. Inside these vaults, cash is stored, counted, and monitored under constant supervision. Advanced inventory systems track every batch, maintaining accountability at every stage. From central vaults, money is distributed to commercial banks across the country. Bank branches receive fresh notes to supply ATMs, teller counters, and business clients. This is how new currency quietly enters circulation, without fanfare, but with precision. Once in public use, banknotes begin their real work. They pass through hands in markets, shops, cafes, and workplaces. They are used to buy food, pay wages, and support everyday economic activity. Over time, notes naturally wear. They are checked regularly by banking machines and staff. Banknotes that are damaged, heavily worn, or unfit for use are removed from circulation. These notes are securely destroyed and recycled according to strict procedures. This continuous cycle, production, circulation, inspection, and replacement, keeps the currency reliable and trusted. In the end, money is more than paper or polymer. It is a tool that connects people, businesses, and institutions. Quietly moving through daily life, the Romanian Leu remains a constant presence, designed to serve, to endure, and to be trusted. As the day comes to a close, the Romanian Leu continues its quiet journey, moving through hands, shops, banks, and homes across the country. It is more than ink, polymer, and security features. It is a system built on precision, trust, and responsibility, designed to serve millions of people every day. From careful design to secure production and circulation, each banknote reflects the importance of stability in daily life. If you're interested in how other countries create and manage their own currencies, follow the channel for more inside factory stories from across Europe.